Do you answer your phone when the number comes up as an unknown caller? Well, that's one reason that you're not going to get picked for a poll. Let's talk about this for a second because this is a question I get all the time. First of all, most Americans have never been polled. That's completely normal. The United States has about 260 million adults, but a typical poll only surveys about 800 to about 1,200 people. That's why you see plus or minus 3 as your really common margin of error. That comes from statistical sampling theory. So, statistically, those odds of you personally getting selected are small. Second of all, it doesn't matter if you're a Democrat or a Republican. These pollsters are just going to call random numbers. Pollsters are going to call everybody, Democrat, Republican, Independent, and they don't know who they're calling when they call. That's one of the questions that they ask. They actually sample across the entire population, and then they use something called weighing, adjusting the results so that the sample matches the country's age, race, education, region, and party identification. Now, the modern problem that we have with polling is back in the 80s and 90s, like 60% of people answered their phone. But today, it's less than 5%. So if a pollster is going to call 10,000 people, maybe 300 answer their phone, and only like 200 will complete the survey, which means most Americans never, ever get polled. So the issue isn't that people are avoiding you. The chances of you being selected are really slim. Plus, you have to answer your phone, which is why I asked the question,